Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and in this video I am going to talk about the best trading strategy for the beginners. I have found the best buy and sell indicator that works pretty well on your screen. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video. I personally use this broker. Okay, let's not waste our time and let's move towards the strategy. The strategy is very simple. We are using the first indicator. The name of the indicator is Black Cat L2 Perry Kaufman Adaptive MAKAMA, and please note that the author name is Black Cat 1402, and you can see that 697 traders have put this indicator into their favorites. Okay, so you can say that only few of the traders are using this because it's a very special indicator. So I click on this one and you can see the indicator is now attached on my screen. Okay, generally if you look that on the screen, then you will see that it's only giving buy and sell signals with a very beautiful structure. As you can see that yellow color and the purple color it is using, so it looks a very good into the first instant. Okay, now we also need another indicator with this, so I'm going to use the second indicator, that is moving average exponential. And please note down that this indicator is without any author name, so I'm going to attach the second indicator on my screen. So now you can see that the blue line is attached on my screen, but I need to change its settings. So I'm going to the settings of the EMA, and if I go inside, you can see that there is a length of the 9 period. I'm going to change it to 200. Into the style section, I want to give it a unique color, so I will be choosing green here. And then I press OK, and you can see that the EMA, which we called exponential moving average, is attached on my screen. Now guys, first of all, might be you thinking that where we should use this strategy. So you should be using this strategy in Forex, crypto, stocks, and whatever the things that are spotted on TradingView. You can use this strategy on any time frame and any currency pair, or even whatever the Forex stocks you are dealing at. Okay, so there is no limitation, right? Okay, now I will tell you that how to specify your entry. So the first criteria, why I have attached the exponential moving average. So this is very basic, because you know that the moving average help us with the trends. So for example, if you see that the candles are below the 200 moving average, it means that we are into the downtrend. So here we have received a sell signal from the indicator, that the first indicator that we are using, L2 Perry Kauf. So what we will do, for example, let's say we are going to take a short position on this candle, because on this candle it has highlighted us with a short position. So what we will do, we will set up it as a bit higher point, the previous high, you can say that. And what you have caught on this trade, if you look at here, we were easily able to catch 1.86 ratio from that trade, right? So this is the sell scenario. But when we talk about the buy, so please make sure that the candles should be above the 200 EMA for the buy entry. So the stop loss is different in case of buy entry, because for example, this candle was closed above the 200 EMA, that's your entry point. So in this case, you will not set up the stop loss at the low of the market. What you will do, you will set up a stop loss just below, little below the 200 EMA, and then you will be targeting something. And if we look at here, we were easily able to catch the 3 ratio. So why I have not set up a stop loss at the very previous low? Because guys, you know that the trend was changed, so the previous low will be much far and you will be catching a very less profit. That's why risk reward ratio, you should always take care of it. And if we set up it just below the 200 EMA, you will be going to get more profit, because if the market get reversed, and if you see that the market is get reversed and if it your stop loss, it is a clear means that the market is again going into the downward trend. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. So let's see that how it is performing on other pairs. So let's take an example, USD CHF, it breaks the green line of the 200 EMA, and we also have the buy signal from the first indicator. You can see this is a very good valid trade. Okay, now you can see we have also received a sell signal from this, but we will not take any kind of sell signal, because you can see that we are above the 200 EMA, so we will not sell. However, you know that on the Friday the market get closed, so this is due to this. Otherwise, this is the picture that where we can say that this is the ranging momentum of the market, where the market is not actually moving. Okay, now look at the euro USD sell signal, how pretty fine this indicator works. If we go back, the sell signal pretty fine, and we will ignore the buy signals when the market is below the 200 EMA. So guys, this indicator is used by professionals, and this is the very special indicator. So please make sure that you can use this indicator. And also one request, please also subscribe FX Mentors US, so that you should be a part of the latest forex trading strategies. On my channel you will be getting a lot of strategies that are going to help you and going to make you the better trader. So please like this video, subscribe FX Mentor, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.